Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of R as in rock. Now we will see some of the examples. R says R as in rabbit. R says R as in rain. R says R as in rat. R says R as in ring. R says R as in beer. R says R as in car. R says R as in chair. R says R as in spider. WR says R as in right. WR says R as in wrist. WR says R as in wrestler. WR says R as in wrist watch. Now we will see the initial position. R says R as in rabbit. R, rabbit. R says R as in rain. R, rain. R says R as in rat. R, rat. R says R as in ring. R, ring. R says R as in beer, its final position. R, beer. R says R as in car. R, car. R says R as in chair. R, chair. R says R as in spider. R, spider. WR says R as in right. R, right. WR says R as in wrist. R, wrist. WR says R as in wrestler. R, wrestler. WR says R as in wristwatch. R, wristwatch.